best USMD program, it is Kanwalker International University. This university got established by leading professor from Emory University, from Atlanta, from USA. Professor Archie Londilashvili established USMD program in Georgia.
Why these days every aspirant, MBBS aspirant, are choosing only Georgia country? There are many countries offering MBBS, but why only Georgia?
Why to Georgia? There's many reasons and many answers about these questions. I will start from very beginning, which is main important, I guess, for parents. Safety. Our country, Georgia, is the most safest country in the world. Georgia safety means that all students, all guests coming from all over the world, they must be very safe. Our country priority it is that any guest, despite regardless their nationality, they must be very safe in our country. So the main aspect it is the country must be very safe. So that's why Georgia became one of the safest countries in all the world. Second is our educational system. It's almost 2 decades that our educational system properly fulfills all requirements. What right now we have NMC regulations, NMC guidelines. Our educational system fulfills and properly provides all needful education knowledge to our students more than 2 decades. Because in our country there is regulatory body NCEQ, which is authorized by WFME. Our educational systems before NMC was created in India was having the same program, full English MBBS program, 6 years. It is more than 52 theoretical classes and more than 1 year internship program, more than 12 months as NMC requires. All our students, regardless nationalities coming from India or any other countries, they are equal as Georgian local students. Our educational systems, every university and we are working with top universities in our country, such as University of Georgia for MBBS program, such as Kanwalker International University for USMD program. Our university properly fulfills all requirements, and we already have many students who cracked USMLE Step 1 and USMLE Step 2. Educational system, it's what our Indian students require right now. Because many students, as we know, there is limited in India, different states. But in Georgia, we will give all opportunities to our wonderful students to come in Georgia to study, to get best knowledge from our hand, from our universities, and go back and pass your FMGE exams. We have 78% passing FMGE exam from our University of Georgia. Another reason it is that our country already have Indian communities. We have lots of Indian students. We have lots of Telugu girl students. We have a community, Tamil Nadu community, Kerala communities. In our capital, in our Tbilisi, there are lots of students having their own communities also. They have cricket community, different restaurants, different
what about the South Indian food? South Indian food.
Of course we have, and we have our hostels for our students. We have separately girls hostel, we have separately boys hostel with Indian Telugu food. In our hostels are available all kind of foods, veggie food, non-veggie food, halal food, every kind of food we are providing for our students. As students give us requirements, we are changing menu and we are providing best level of food for our students, especially they love, and I love to have gurum chicken biryani with my students, and we love to have butter chicken, butter nani. So lots of food we provide for our students, and we know how delicious it is Hyderabad chicken biryani. So especially for this, we have cooks from Hyderabad settle in Tbilisi and settle in our hostels.
Okay.
In hostels, we provide safety for our students, and we guarantee our parents that their kids are very safe in our hostels. We don't allow outsiders to come in our hostels. We have CCTV cameras. As I mentioned, we have separately girls hostels, separately boys hostels. They are already our team ready from very first day of entering to resource any parents or any student. From first day, they are coming to Hyderabad office, they are coming to any other office, Vijayawada, Vizag, Tirupati, Bangalore, any of our offices, they are in safe hands. Resource provides one-step solution all these matters. Back to hostels. Every hostel, 3 or 4 star hotels, we provide it and we moderate it as a resource hostels.
Okay.
Every student comes to our hostels, they feel much safety. We provide all needful help separately for girls, separately for boys. We already have our teams there in each hostel. It is boys hostel or it is girls hostel. We have already our team. Mr. David is there, Mr. Suba is there, Sindhu Aka is there, Hafsa sister is there. So every hostel we have our team. Any student, any kid required any help, because we know and I understand that many students first time they travel abroad. They go to different countries, they go to different locations, they must feel safety and they must be treated as a guest, and they must be treated as we have in Hyderabad that very much big hospitality. So we already are ready for this. Our students are getting all these hospitalities from us country. Back to our religion, we find very similarity compared to Indian population in Indian nation. We also are very religion. We are Christians and we believe that from our religion that if we treat our students or our guests as a God guest, only in this way we can achieve something. So these reasons makes sense that students and parents must consider to go to Georgia. Safety, educational system and hospitality.
So right now, what are the universities that you have tie up with in Georgia?
We work with top universities in our country. In University of Georgia, we have lots of programs and we provide all the best laboratories what we have in our country. University of Georgia have type hospitals, leading hospitals, not only in our country, in our Caucasus region. First is University of Georgia. University of Georgia gives the best MBBS program from our country. It's very easy for our students. They just need to come to our offices and from the first day onwards, we will take all needful documentation work in Georgia. Second, we have best USMD program. Best USMD program, it is Kanwalker International University. This university got established by leading professor from Emory University, from Atlanta, from USA. Professor Archil Ondilashvili established USMD program in Georgia, and on behalf of name, Professor Ken Walker. This university is tied with Emory University in Atlanta. It has USMD program. They established and they moderated MBBS program into USMD program. This program allows our students to make summer visiting program in Emory University, internship timings in USA leading hospitals. USMD program directly prepares our students for USMLE exams. USML Step 1, USML Step 2, and USML Step 3. After all this, our professors will give recommendation letters to our students to make matching program in USA, in residency programs, in leading hospitals. This program will be the bridge for Indian students to go to USA and settle in USA.
MBBS is not easy, and in terms of financial situation of the parents and all, it's very difficult for them, without any bank loan they can't proceed further. So you are providing an education loan for MBBS students also?
Right, madam. You are absolutely right that financial case it's not easy for everyone, for every family. That's why we work with different Bank of India, and in our offices we have representatives of different banks. So we stand in between parents and banks. So we are assisting them to get educational loans. We are assisting them to get educational loan not only purpose of tuition fees. It's about also accommodation fees. It's also for daily expenses. So we are there. We are giving guarantee. Without any insurance, they can get educational loan from banks.
చూసారు కదండి, జార్జియాలో MBBS చాలా ఈజీగా బ్యాంక్ లోన్ తోటి, అంటే మన పేరెంట్స్ని సఫర్ చేసి ఫైనాన్షియల్ కండిషన్స్ గురించి ఆలోచించి వెడగనుకు వేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. సో మనకి నచ్చినట్టుగా జార్జియాలో ద బెస్ట్ యూనివర్సిటీస్లో చక్కగా ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఇచ్చే విధంగా ఆఫర్ లెటర్ కూడా మనకి అన్నీ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు. సో అప్లికేషన్ దగ్గర నుంచి వన్స్ మీరు అక్కడ జార్జియాలో ల్యాండ్ అయ్యేంత వరకు మీకు సిమ్ కార్డ్, బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ అన్నిట్లోని కూడా ఇక్కడ మనకి వీసోస్ టీమ్ అనేది హెల్ప్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో ఏ విషయంలో కూడా అస్సలు ఆలోచించాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. పైగా సేఫెస్ట్ కంట్రీ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్ అని చెప్పేసి కూడా అంటున్నారు కాబట్టి మన ఇండియన్ క్లైమేట్కి కూడా ఎగ్జాక్ట్గానే ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి సో అసలు ఏ రకంగా కూడా ఆలోచించాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఫుడ్ విషయంలో అండ్ అలానే చుట్టూ ఉండే మనుషుల విషయంలో అండ్ అలానే అకామిడేషన్ విషయంలో ప్రతి దాంట్లో కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. అండ్ అలానే యూనివర్సిటీకి సంబంధించి ఇంకా మీకు ఎటువంటి డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఏంటంటే ఇలాగా మనము ఒక వీడియోలో చెప్పగలిగింది కాదు. ద మెయిన్ ఇన్సైట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ కూడా మనం ఈ వీడియో వీడియోలో డిస్కస్ చేశాము. ఇంకా ఫర్దర్గా మీరు తెలుసుకోవాలి అనుకున్నట్లయితే స్క్రీన్ పై నెంబర్ కనిపిస్తుంది. ఇమీడియట్గా నియర్ బై బ్రాంచ్కి వచ్చి డౌట్స్ అన్ని కూడా క్లారిఫై చేసుకోండి.